Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your WhatsApp in a very simple way. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. So firstly, what you have to do is for you to go to your Apple Store or your Play Store and go over to the search icon, and what you have to do next is for you to type in WhatsApp. So this is what I'm doing. In case you're using WhatsApp, WhatsApp Messenger or WhatsApp Business, you have to go over either of them for you to be able to update it. So I'm using WhatsApp Messenger. So what I have to do now is for me to go over to the WhatsApp Messenger, which I'm doing now, and you're going to see updates at the upside there, and what you have to do is for you to press the update. And by updating your WhatsApp, it brings more features, latest features. It brings many features like you can tag someone, you can mention someone on WhatsApp, and you can also like someone's status. So you can see the WhatsApp Messenger is updating here and is downloading also. And when it's done downloading, you'll be able to have all these features, yes, on your WhatsApp. You're going to have all these features. So guys, it's done downloading. So what you have to do is for you to just do open, and your WhatsApp Messenger or your WhatsApp Business have been updated. So guys, this is the end of this video. I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.